How to do margin trading on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can do margin trading on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now doing margin trading on Binance is also actually very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Binance application here. Once you launch the Binance app, you can simply tap on your Binance profile first. Then first of all switch to Binance Pro, because the light version on the app does not have margin trading. So once you switch to Binance Pro, go to trades option. Once you go to trades, from the top you can see margin, so tap on margin to basically go to margin trading. Now I can tap on start trading. So first I can simply choose an account between cross and isolated account. Then I can just click on transfer, that is transfer assets to your margin account. Then after that I can simply borrow or repay. Now you may manually borrow or repay through the BR button over here. Then I can also choose the auto mode. You may turn on or off the auto borrow repair function through the auto option. Then I can go to trade and then I can tap on trade. Then I can look at the FAQ and then I'll be able to go ahead and then do margin trading in that way. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically do margin trading on Binance. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.